So, hi guys! So, hi everyone. I have here watch from Olives, guys. And I got this from TikTok. Oh my gosh, I ordered it from TikTok, guys. And this is item. And I'm so excited to unbox this watch, guys, because it has a lot of good reviews from TikTok, guys, in TikTok. So, oh my god. Oh, this is so, atong ibalikin na balik. So, this is from Olive's watch, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So, so nahurot na akong kwarta og sige pang order aning mga watch sa TikTok, guys. And nice kay ni siya. And I think I choose the the rose gold color, guys. And look at the packaging. It's so nice. So, packaging pa lang. Box niya pa lang, guys. Sulit na. Ang ganda na ng box. So, ay, baliktad pa rin. Baliktad. My God. Wait, and let's see what's inside this box. Oh my God, this is so nice. Nice kay siya. And I have here, so inside the box, guys, is you will receive a manual, guys, and then kaning adjustable. So, and then the watch itself, guys, it's so nice. Look at that. Oh, hello. Oh my God, this is so nice. Oh. So, maka-receive mo og manual, then kaning pang-adjust niya, and then the watch itself, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Wait. I so love this watch, guys. Oh my God, look at that. Oh. And this is my watch from Lovito, guys. So, this is so nice. See, I think I feel like I'm crying, guys. So, ito sa ni an. Halaka. Oh my goodness. Uy. So murag dako-dako gid siya. So kuhaan nato siya og kuan. Dok. So since dako kay siya nato guys, kuhaan nato tag tulo-tulo nga strap diri sa isika side niya guys. And then okay. 1, 2, 3. So kani ato ang kuhaan guys. So natanggal na ang iya ang kuhaan. And of course ato ning ihipos. And then so safe na ato ang watch guys. So ito. Hala. Ay, naku. So, na-adjustan na nako siya guys. And luag-luag pagyapon siya gamay. So, kuhaan pa ni nako siya og duha siguro. Duha ka kuan para mag-fit gid siya. So, mao ni iya ang appearance. Tanawa. So nice kay siya guys. Look at that. Rose gold.